In this video, I will show you how to fix the disk write error on Steam. So this can happen when you're trying to update or download games, but there's a couple of things you can do to actually fix this problem. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on my desktop. Now the first fix is if you actually locate the Steam app desktop shortcut, so you can see that's down here, right click onto this and then click onto properties. Now in this properties window, what you want to do is come up to the top and click onto the compatibility tab, and you want to come down to the settings section and tick the box to run this program as an administrator and also to disable full screen optimizations. Once you've done that, be sure to come down and click apply and then OK. What you can then do is open up Steam and see if this fixes your problem. So if you have tried that but you're still receiving the disk write error message, then the next thing to do is to open up the Steam app on your PC. And once you've opened up the Steam app, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top left hand corner and click onto Steam just up here. Now from this menu that comes up, you want to come down and click onto settings. And in here on this menu on the left hand side, you want to click onto downloads. So in here, what you're going to want to do is look for the clear download cache option. As you can see, by clearing the download cache, this could potentially resolve issues downloading or starting apps. So what you want to do is go ahead and click the button to clear your download cache. And what it's going to do is actually restart Steam. Once Steam has restarted, try to load or update the game again that you were trying to play, and see if that does fix this problem. Now if that didn't work for you, the final thing to do is a full uninstallation and reinstallation of Steam onto your PC. At this point, make sure to make a note of your login details, because of course by reinstalling Steam you're going to have to log back into your account. But to do a full uninstallation, what you want to do from your desktop is come down to the search box in the bottom left hand corner and type remove. On this screen, what you can do is use the search box to search for Steam, and once you found Steam, click onto it and then click the uninstall button to uninstall Steam from your PC. Once you've uninstalled Steam, what you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser, come across to store.steampower.com, and you're going to see at the top the option to install Steam. So what you want to do is click onto this link, and that's going to take you to the download page where you can go ahead and reinstall Steam on your PC. By performing a full clean installation of Steam, this should fix the disk write error. So that is how to fix the disk write error on Steam. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.